for attention TV, remember, Bobby be aqua. And Mr. So when me subscribe button so. Now I like a video no. What share am I for so Aki. We are not trying our comment section. Yen you bear my funny face in stage as a seer or woman just say on us over bipolar made a mean to me the over. And I'm no more as a funny face over pantine. I need na IGP Adaroma. IGP a chum say you're fun and for pantine. Na yɛn nyinaa nim sɛ ne issue yi ba yi nea ɔto n'ani esi ne so pa ɛyɛ medical na sɛ medical kora ɛne ne baby mama a ɛyɛ Vanessa kora adada na ɛnɛ ɛna medical nso aba abɔnten kyerɛ sɛ wabɛyɛ video ama funny face mmerɛ funny face ɛkasa nyinaa medical deɛ wankasa nanso ɛnɛ deɛ wabɛyɛ video moma yɛntie medical ɛmbra.
And sometimes you don't need too many people around you. You need just a few people, like one or two, like genuine people. You get me? The Bible says, wherever two or more are gathered in His name, He is present. It means if you be two people we did there, where they mention God in name, He is present. That will be the omnipresent. You understand me? Yeah. So you see, like what my big brother, my senior man, the legend Funnyface, they do for TikTok and online and all. You know, we say he mad or he enter some world way. It be situation we put him in that state. You understand? Yeah. It be situation we put him in that state because he wasn't like that. He like Funnyface be like he be senior man, be somebody where they make people happy. And you see anybody or any person where they feel bring joy into the lives of people, if you hold that person in high esteem, he's just going to do something. And you know, I do some song where I talk some line where some fans go tell him say I did song and he come do videos, and but they understand him and they understand his situation. You get me? They speak, but obviously my man is going through a lot of things, and then he just put time in some world, and it be because of love and so many things we make the act out like that. But he will be good. He's a human being. Sometimes he be ups and downs. They go through some things, and then they put you in some realm, and then you overreact and all. But yeah, no see him say, you know, correct. Unbani pemu PM and that. Oh shit. So I mean, I don't talk to lots of people. Maybe few people were there around. Maybe just Shatta, Kofi Jam, Waddle. Finish. Don't do too many friends. When you do too many friends, that when things go cast. Yeah, big up. Whatever they talk, it be real shit. Like, I don't know how to cap. I stay real, I stay original, I stay raw. However I will talk as it be. Yeah, you just need some few real niggas around. Me, when I day house and I look for money and I don't get money, each time if you pull up from my house, recently he come my house, bring me 1 billion, 100,000 cedi. Yo, take this one, hold down, throw for town. If you no stress, you get me normal. Every how we day, you get me. They make money all the time, so it be normal. Yeah, that be how I day. So I don't even know how to lie or cap about saying niggas. You get me? Because that's what it is. Me, I live in reality. I don't live in some world where them say it be so it is, so if I go so. No. The thing I see, that be how I live them. That be how I will preach. I will preach them or preach or talk about them. That's what it is. I don't know how to fabricate and then, you know, paint some fictional message. If you know I know if you talk about them. Yeah, you just need some real people around you. That's it. Don't need to do too much. You get me? Yeah. Yeah, shouts to all the man them, shouts to all the fan them and that. Yeah. And they support me, so I always, once in a while, I like to pause saying things online and then communicate. Don't see me like artist, see me like your brother, like your family member. Yeah. Hello, they don't tell you say rice day, but meat finish. Also, big pastor no call you wait for church. When was Kenya actually saw before I saw them there. Also. Yo, big shouts to my nigga Genesis. He did America right now. But yeah, shouts to my nigga Genesis. We now okay, then we did sleep some shop for Adenta. And that shop, it be like more by the market. So every night time, then they lock the shop. But then Uncle Beat in studio, where the beat them stay, that be where the shop day. So sometimes we they like sleep the studio and continue recording till the next day. So this day we sleep the studio, morning time we wake up, some next shop we then they sell laptops and phones and stuff. They say somebody comes steal laptop and phones from there. So it be we now because we pay we sleep there. Then go lock we for Adenta police station. What say we be say? The kiddies way come steal the laptop and the phones no. Them return them for the police station. Like this be like 12 years ago or something. 12, 13 years ago. 12, 13, 14 years ago. So yeah, that why I big up Genesis for that song, for the Believe song. Shouts to Medikal Genesis. Then return them where they make them release we. Like then they take we go court and jail we. It be crazy. But yeah, shouts to Medikal Genesis. I pick it. Charlie. Maybe like I know for put this one out, but one of my brothers just messaged me say he tells some girl the area where they stay. The girl asks him say, is he in Accra? Then always say no, if look sharp also. Because mention some name. They say like they a year back. Also about down. Also make if you wear shorts go club, wear slippers go club. This is some chairman they carry wear slippers. You wear jeans and this thing and it tells you know your shirt, you know. Everything nice by your shirt, you know. But why? But if you see somebody like fastest God, we enter club. We the wear slippers. We the sport there. We the other bottles like the other bottles like crazy. And when they come club, you go feel order like 50 bottles of Bel-Air, 80 bottles of, Moe, 20 bottles of Azul. By the way, slippers. They wear, you don't even know, say they go club safe way, just pass there. You hustle. Try look for money. Money is good. Poor man no get safe for this world, so look for money. And be okay. Find the right people around. The right friends, the right woman.
Abusuafo, bye. And then your medical a kind now so funny face for fans age almost say I the funny face any kind a call pantai first one or buy just oh yeah come on a man a good tria and age so into when the kind a call pantai what's not a pantai beyond the end I name send a home back ton I'm an adrian as I have a few aha attention to the meeting Ed Fatima Macra.